Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase tickets online for the Ripley's Aquarium of Canada. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to go ahead and skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see down in the description of this video. Once you go ahead and open up that link, it's going to take you to the official ticket platform right here, from where we can get started by clicking the check availability option. That's going to enable us to take a look at all the available dates we can purchase the tickets for. So select the date which suits you the best, let's say the 17th, after which we can select what kind of tickets we need. Let's say only one adult ticket for us. I'm going to add it and click next to go to the next page. If you're not interested in similar experiences, you can just select no thanks and go to the personal details page, after which we can get started filling out our personal info. So here we have our first name, last name, email address, and so on. Make sure to fill it out all correctly, and once filled out, we can click next to go to the payment option. This is going to show us all the payment methods that we have available to us, such as Apple Pay, debit and credit card, PayPal, and so on, so choose whichever one suits you the most. Once you have selected your way for paying, you can go ahead and fill out the info, let's say debit and credit card. So here I'm going to fill out my card info and click pay. Once I make the payment successfully and the purchase successfully, the tickets are going to go ahead and arrive on my email address that I have used for registering this account on the platform. So go into the description of the video right now, open up the link, and get started purchasing your tickets today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.